Hey there, guys. How's it doing? So I'm going to quickly show you how you can find leads in Sales Handy, enrich in Persona, and again send personalized emails, right? So let's just quickly jump into Sales Handy's lead finder, and let's just apply some filters you want for your ICPs or buyer persona. So let me just skip this and use the recent search, so I don't have to do it from scratch. And after the leads information is visible, you can reveal the leads. So I have already revealed the leads for some of the prospects that I want. So I would be skipping this step, and I can just click on this save as prospect button to save all of my leads in this tab. So where I can just select them all and export the file in form of CSV for enrichment. So now after the export, you can remove the necessary information or the columns that you don't need, and let's just switch into Persona. So this is the dashboard of Persona, and we can quickly get started. Let's just import the CSV file. We just export it, and here it is. Let's just upload. Now Persona will automatically populate the table with the lead information. So I have just removed the necessary information that I didn't want. So now you can see there is endless possibility of enrichment. Like for example, if I have show you, so you can maybe find work emails that might be missing from the data of lead finder, or you can just go and check out for the job openings. Maybe you can scrape prospects website and see what's the particular target audience they follow. So this is how you can do your enrichment part. But one thing that I found very much helpful is like generating unique sales emails for every prospect. So what you need to do is you simply need to click on this generate sales email, right? And now Persona would scrape the information from the LinkedIn URL, and it would run this OpenAI prompt. So it would just generate a very highly personalized email for every prospect. Obviously you can change the prompt and fine tune it for your own needs. So but now I'm just going to use it for my leads. So let's just run this automation, right? So now it's in queue. So let's just see how the emails would be different from each other, right? So let me just open this one, and this is an email. Well, and let's just quickly see this one. So see, these both are different emails, and each of the prospect will receive a different one. So after we have done this enrichment, we can export the data again in the form of CSV. We just need to click on export. So let's just export this file, right? And now let's jump to Sales Andy to send emails, right? uh, let's just share me this tab. Let me just go in the dashboard, and now here I can create a new sequence. So let's just click this blue button, and let's just start creating a sequence for our prospects. So let's just add the first step. Maybe I can use the subject line. And now the most important step, you need to include the same merge tag which you used as a name for your column in Persona. Let's say for example in Persona we use the column name as sales emails, right? So in Sales Handy, the merge tag would be same. So I can just import the tag from here, and I can just save it. Now, if you want to create a custom field, let's say sales email. So you just need to go into settings, and you can find a custom field option, or you can say prospect fields, and you can create a custom field for yourself, right? This is very easy. Now again, let's just jump into our sequence, and let's just name this sequence as Persona to Sales Handy, right? So we have already included this merge tag, right? So now it's time to include the prospects. So let's just import the file which we just downloaded from Persona, right? And here it is. Now all we need to do is to map the fields. Well, we already had created a custom fields, and these fields are automatically mapped. So we just need to proceed, and maybe we can skip this verification for now, and let's just click done. Okay, now let's just see and check the preview, like how the emails would actually look like in real. So if I open this template, you can see in the preview pane, you can see each of the prospect receive a different email, right? So this is the power of enrichment and creating a very personalized emails for the prospects. Yes, you can fine tune the prompts in Persona, and you can make it shorter, you can make it crisper, but this is how you generate a scalable personalization for all of your leads in the prospectors. So I just need to save this. And the last step is just launch the email. Well, I can again go into settings and maybe attach an email address. So my email account is already connected. All I need to do is just launch the sequence by toggling this button on, and bang, this email will be sent to your prospects. So this is So easy, simple steps. You can enrich the data, send them in Sales Handy, and quickly activate your email. If you need any help, you can check out the articles or you can reach out to us. Thank you very much for watching.